Hi, my name is Anubhav Tyagi. I'm an advocate and I practice law in Delhi. So, I'm going to talk about a very common mistake that many law students make and a common problem amongst many law students, that they are not able to get through good internships. They apply for internships with lawyers, with law firms. However, they never get any response, and this causes a great amount of stress to the students. They're not able to understand that why are they not receiving any response, and they do not understand that what is the problem, what is the actual problem that is there, due to which they are not able to get through a good internship, and why are they not being selected. So, what is a very common observation, what I have seen by law students, I've seen in the posts that are shared by many lawyers, that what common mistakes law students make while sending their internship applications. Many law students, they simply send an email to the lawyer asking for internship, and then they expect that the lawyer would reply and would accept their application. uh, as a student, you must understand that lawyers receive many internship applications. A good lawyer receives more than 100 applications per day, and the competition is very high. Many students are sending their internship applications. So many students do not even include their CV in the email. They simply send a simple email asking the lawyer to give an opportunity for internship. So the first thing that you must do is that you must send a CV, a properly drafted CV, along with cover letter to the lawyer with whom you want to intern. And you should not send mails such as many students that they do this particular thing, that if they are sending a mail to, for example, a lawyer who is a male, so they send an email on his personal email ID, and then they start their mail like this, that dear sir oblique madam. So they are sending this pre-drafted email, and they are sending this particular email to each and every other person. And this is the first mistake that a lot of people do, many law students do. And this is the first impression, and when that particular lawyer, he opens your mail and sees that you have sent such an email, then he, on the face of it, he rejects your internship application. So the other thing that is there is that people send their CVs, however the CV is not properly drafted. There are many grammatical errors, and the formatting is not correct, and thereafter such CVs also get rejected. So the solution to the problem is that you must have your CV well drafted. Your CV should look very impressive. It should be drafted well, and there must not be any mistakes. Because when a lawyer receives any internship applications, he does not know you personally. He has never met you, but he's looking at your CV. And when there are mistakes in the CV, then the impression goes wrong. And as we know, we have always heard that the first impression is the last impression. And when you receive a negative first impression, it will ultimately be of no good. You will not get through the internship, and your internship application would be rejected. So you should work on building your CV properly, and must ensure that your CV is drafted properly. So if you want to get your CV, to know how a CV is to be drafted, how a well drafted CV looks like, then there are many lawyers who are helping the students on LinkedIn. I've seen many posts by many lawyers. They are helping the students to build up their CV properly. You should follow such lawyers, and then you should learn how to draft your CV. There are many websites as well that which are giving classes for CV building. You can take such courses as well, and you can work on your CV. And if your CV is well drafted, you work upon your CV, you work upon the way you are sending the emails, then ultimately you will see that there are positive impact, and you will get you will start getting responses from the lawyers, and you will see a positive change when you send such internship applications to the lawyers.